Alivia here at Buchwalter Greenhouse, and today we're going to be learning how to grow garlic. Garlic you find in like so many recipes, so garlic is a perfect thing to grow in your garden. It does not take up much space, so today I'm working with a raised bed, but you can put this in ground in your garden or even a container. You could try a container, just as long as it has 6 inches of depth, make sure those roots can grow. But super easy in the garden. Fall is the best time to plant this. So here in Ohio, we want to plant in the fall, so it has time to get those roots established before the winter comes, and then it's winter hardy, so it'll continue to be good over winter, and then at the end of June or July, beginning of July, you'll be ready to harvest it. So plant in fall and you'll harvest in the summer. Again, it doesn't take much room, so we're going to use this raised garden bed here. It's got nice soil, but if you need to add some soil or just want to improve your quality, we have BumperCrop, so this would work. You don't have to fill up the whole garden space with it, just kind of the area you're planting the garlic. So that's BumperCrop if you need to improve your soil a little bit. So what type of garlic? This is Softneck garlic we're going to be using today. There's hardneck garlic and an elephant ear garlic, which is really large, but today we're just using Softneck. Softneck garlic is really good because it stores the longest. So we're going to use Softneck, but whatever you prefer works. Again, this is seed garlic is what it's called. So you can find this here at Buchwalter's or any of your local garden centers. So how to plant it? It's really easy. All you're going to do is break it apart into each, like a clove of garlic, each little piece of garlic. So you're just going to kind of shimmy it apart and get all those cloves off. I'm gonna split it up into each little piece there. You can see it looks like this, and you'll want to notice the root bottom on your main part here is at the bottom there, and then you have this pointed tip. So you want to make sure you keep that the same when you plant this little piece, because this is going to turn into this big part when it's done growing, and that's what you'll be able to break up and eat. So you want to get it like this. Bottom is right there, your pointed top is right there. You can even see this one has a little sprout already coming out of it. So this is what we want it to look like, and then we're going to put it right down in the ground. Have all your pieces broken up, go ahead and plant it 6 to 8 inches apart. So this soil is really nice, so I'm just going to use my hand here, but make your row. You can do as much as you think you and your family will eat, but you're just going to put it down a little bit, kind of like a finger down, a finger in depth down into the ground there. And then remember, get that basal plate, that bottom part where those roots are going to come out, that's going to go down, and make sure you get that pointed up. So 6 to 8 inches apart, let's go ahead and plant it. So you can see I have my one row here planted of garlic just down in there like that, and then we'll go ahead and cover it back up. One thing I was thinking, you do want to leave the skin on. Like when you're cooking with garlic, you'll take that off, but you want to leave that on there when you're planting it. Like don't go around and take that skin off or anything, because obviously it's going to protect it a lot better when it's growing. So you'll get that planted in there. Also, since you do have to wait till summer, it'd be a great idea to add a marker. So I'm just going to add this little plant label there to tell me where my garlic's at, so I don't forget about it in the spring. You've got the garlic planted, you're pretty set, good to go. One thing you could do over the winter here is get like a mulch, use some straw. Straw would work great. A mulch, I have a lot of leaves, so I'm just going to spread this over the whole area there. That'll work great just to insulate it, keep it protected over the winter, and then in the spring and summer you want to make sure to take that leaves, the straw, whatever you use to cover the garlic off in the spring and summer so it can continue to grow correctly. You might notice in the fall here, they might start sprouting up. If you get it in a little earlier, you'll see the garlic start to sprout. So that's really cool. I know at home, I can see mine coming out, just a green little sprout. But your most growth is going to be during the spring and summer. So, don't worry if you don't see anything. Wait till the spring and summer, and that's when you'll see a lot of the growth of your garlic. That's pretty much it. Garlic's really easy. You're just take your seed garlic, split it apart, put that root side down, cover it back up, get some mulch on top of it, and you'll be ready to have garlic in all your recipes next summer.